गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. आजचं आपलं हे चौथं लेक्चर आहे. मागील 3 लेक्चर्समध्ये आपण वेव्ह ऑप्टिक्स हा चॅप्टर सुरू केलेला आहे आणि या वेव्ह ऑप्टिक्स या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण नेचर ऑफ लाईट हा पॉईंट पाहिला आहे. लाईट ॲज ए वेव्ह हा पॉईंट आपण ऑब्झर्व केलेला आहे. हायजीन थिअरी ऑब्झर्व केलेली आहे अँड देन वी ऑब्झर्व दी वेव्ह फ्रंट्स. नाव वी ऑब्झर्व दी हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल. या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल स्टडी करूयात. हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल आपण मागील लेक्चरमध्ये एक्सप्लेन केलेले आहेत. दॅट हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल्स आर शोन ऑन अवर स्क्रीन. That hygiene principles are: first is, each point on a wavefront act as a secondary source of light. If we observe the any initial wavefront which is produced by any source, that wavefront act as a secondary source of light. Second point is, every secondary source emitting secondary light waves called wavelet in all direction. इच सेकंडरी सोर्स म्हणजे वेवफ्रंटवरती, इनिशियल वेवफ्रंटवरती जो एक पॉईंट असेल, कोणताही एक पॉईंट हा सेकंडरी सोर्स सारखा बिहेव करणार, ॲक्ट होणार अँड फ्रॉम दॅट सेकंडरी सोर्स लाईट्स आर इमिटेड अँड दे फॉर्म्स दी वेवलेट्स in all direction. Third point is, the new wavefront can be obtained by taking the envelope of these secondary wavelets. Now from the secondary source we observe the number of wavelets on the first or initial wavefront. We take the envelope of all these wavelets, we get the secondary wavefronts. That is, the new wavefront can be obtained by taking the envelope of these secondary wavelets. Fourth point is, the secondary wavelets traveling in the forward direction. All the secondary wavelets, newly formed secondary wavelets जे असतील, that all wavelets are traveling in the forward direction, because according to this theory the wavelets traveling in the backward direction are unaffected. That wavelets are unaffected. That all are the, that 5 are the hygiene principle. According to this principle we can explain the forward direction of light, reflection of light, refraction of light, and all many of the properties related to the light. Here we have the explanation of hygiene principle. Firstly, we observe the production of plane wavefront. Now here we have the plane wavefront which is produced by any source. That plane wavefront, we consider the plane wavefront AB. Now we explain the production of plane wavefront. Production of plane wavefront. Here we have the plane wavefront A, B. That is the plane wavefront, or we can call it as the initial wavefront, which is obtained by any source which is placed far away from that wavefront. That is the plane wavefront AB. According to hygiene principle, all the points on that plane wavefront act as the secondary source of the light. Here we consider the point P. That point P act as the secondary source of the light. That secondary source emit the wavelets in all possible directions and they form the hemisphere. Here we consider the point Q. That Q point is the secondary source on the initial wavefront, AB, that point Q is also act as the secondary source of light and emit the light in all possible direction. R is also a next point on that first initial wavefront AB, that is also act as the secondary source, and from that R point we observed the waves are emitted in all possible direction. But according to hygiene principle, we know that the forward direction of light is possible, backward traveling is unaffected. So here we obtain the hemispherical wavelets, that are the hemispherical wavelets, that are the hemispherical wavelets. From all such secondary points we get such hemispherical wavelets, that all number of wavelets are covered, or we take the envelope of all such hemispherical wavelet. By taking the envelope of all the hemispherical wavelet, we get the next wavefront A dash B dash, according to our hygiene principle. That hygiene principle explains the wavefront. If we have any initial wavefront, all points on that initial wavefront act as the secondary source. All that secondary source are produce the wavelets in forward direction, because backward traveling is unaffected. So in forward direction we observe the wavelets are formed in hemispherical shape, and that wavelets are, we take the envelope of all that wavelets, we get new wavefront, that is the A dash B dash, and that new wavefront is also a plane wavefront. Newly formed wavefront is also the plane wavefront. That is the, when we get the next newly formed plane wavefront A dash B dash, that time wavelets are cover distance V into T, because here we consider the initial wavefront AB at time t equal to 0. After certain time t equal to capital T, that wavelets covers a distance v into t, where v is the speed of the light, and therefore we get these hemispheres which having radius vt, means the secondary source are emit light the up to distance v into t when we observe the new wavefront A dash B dash, that is the primary wavefront. Now here on our screen we observe the plane wavefront xy. XY is the plane wavefront, initial plane wavefront. On that wavefront, A, B, C, D all are the points, and from that A, B, C, D are the secondary points. That all secondary points are emitted light in forward direction, that covers the distance V delta T, and we get the new wavefront X dash Y dash, that is the newly formed wavefront, that is X dash Y dash, that is the newly formed wavefront. दुसरा आपला पुढचा पॉईंट असणार आहे प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्पेरिकल वेव्हफ्रंट. स्पेरिकल वेव्हफ्रंट कशा प्रोड्यूस होऊ शकतात बघा. हिअर वी हॅव दी सोर्स ऑफ लाईट, that is the source of light. From that source of light, lights are travel in forward direction. So we get the initial wavefront A, B. That is the initial wavefront according to our principle, hygiene principle, that all points on the wavefront A, B, that all points are behave as the secondary sources of light, secondary sources of light, that all secondary sources emit wavelets, that all secondary points emits wavelets in forward direction, that called as the secondary wavelets, that are all are the secondary wavelets, that are the secondary wavelets. All these secondary wavelets travel in forward direction. Backward traveling is not possible according to the hygiene principle. When we get such wavelets, secondary wavelets, that travels the distance v into t at time capital T, when we get all these wavelets from these secondary sources, we take the envelope of these all points. Then by taking the envelope of these all secondary wavelets, we get the secondary wavefront, that is A dash B dash, that is the secondary wavelets. Here, that is the source of light S. From that light source, light is emitted in forward direction. From that source, we get this spherical wavefront AB, and that all point on that spherical wavefront is behave as the secondary source, secondary source, and all these sources emit light in forward direction and produce the wavelet in hemispherical shape, because backward traveling is unaffected, so we get the hemispherical wavelets, that all wavelets are produced because of the from the secondary source of light, that all are the secondary source of light, and we get the secondary wavelets from that secondary source of light. We take the envelope of all these secondary sources. By taking the envelope of all these sources, we get the next wavefront A dash B dash, that is the new spherical wavefront which is produced by the initial wavefront. From this point we can explain the forward traveling of light, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाईट हे आपण या प्रकारच्या हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल थ्रू एक्सप्लेन करू शकतो ना. या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बघतोय हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल. याच्यात आपण हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल ऑब्झर्व करतोय. हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल आपण बघितलेलं आहे. हायजीन बाय युजिंग हायजीन प्रिन्सिपल वी विल here we explain the production of plane wave front and the production of spherical wave front.